glow. And then, okay, so there isn't anything on the back compared to other things. It do be stuff on the back, but it's whatever.
You trying to go, trying to feel it tonight. She say I'm a star, she singing my songs. Baby girl, we can roll. Nobody needs.
What is up, Kayla Squad? Bang bang. I'm finna start trying to drop bangers back to back. Okay, don't look at my hair because I just woke up. You know, I'm getting off from third shift. I am a little still tired, so my hair looking a little crazy. Let me see. Eyebrows still on fleek though. Eyelashes on fleek. Today I'm actually doing a unpackaging from I was waiting on this package to come. Okay, oh, my hair look okay, whatever, it's gonna have to do. I've been waiting on this, okay. I've been waiting on this. I've been waiting on this, okay. I have a package. I don't want y'all to see like my stuff, but I have a package. So let me do a little thumbnail. I can see my stuff. I could just do this way, like. Okay, perfect. I have a package. And it is from, y'all know I love this little bit. I love that little bit. Go Best, go Best, go Best. Some, yeah. Y'all know I fuck with her. I fuck with that little redhead little bit on a high level. Do you hear me? Okay. So when I seen that her product or whatnot, because I know I just watched a YouTube video about Jeffree Star doing a review on her product. So I'm like, you know what? Let me order it and let me see, you know, let me try it out. So here it is. This is the unpackaging. Whenever I'm around you. Okay, sorry y'all. So this is an unpackaging with me from CopyCat Beauty Cosmetic. Okay, let's get to it, because I'm anxious, okay? Let's see what the fuck is up, because I've been looking for a highlighter for so long. Ooh, it opens right up. Coupon. Shop smarter, not harder. CopyCat Beauty. It say compared to $59.99 Naps wanted eyeshadow palette, Ego Trip eyeshadow palette for $8.99. Save 85% off. And then it got the little code and stuff on the back. Okay. So this is how it comes. It comes wrapped up. So that's a good thing. It comes wrapped. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Ooh, hoo, hoo. I'm done with that. But do y'all see how this do y'all see? Oh, what? Or maybe I should do a thumbnail like this. Okay, that's my thumbnail. But y'all see this? Oh. Okay, so it's G02 Beauty Beach Glow. Oh, this is so cute. I really fuck with this. This is how the back look. And then, boom. Okay. Okay, so I'm finna open it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Go, bitch. Go, bitch. It's how, oh, another wrapper. Okay. Y'all snap. Okay, bitch. You snap. Okay. Okay, so it comes like this. The Beach Glow. And then, okay, so there isn't anything on the back compared to other things. It do be stuff on the back. But it's whatever. For real. Okay. Okay, this is how I look. Y'all can see me in the mirror. Hey y'all. So this is how this look. It looks like this. And then you got your little mirror. Okay. So it have a plastic on it. Let's take that off. Let's set this over here. Y'all see? Oh my goodness. Like, maybe I should do this 2 thumbnails. Okay. Okay, it don't have no smell to it. But let's do some well, I don't know about highlight because yeah, I don't know really much about makeup. Y'all know I'm not a pro with some makeup shit. But let's do some swatches. Let's do some swatches. Okay, so the first one we're gonna do is this one, okay? So we're gonna do it like right here. That's that one. Okay, so then we tried this one. Now we're gonna try that one. And it looked like that. And we're gonna put this right here. Okay, it's light. That's how that look. Then we're gonna try this one. This how this look. Okay, and then we're gonna try the last one. My ponytail look crazy. And then we're gonna try it right here. Okay, so this is how they all look on my hand right here. I don't know, I'm just gonna wipe my hand off on something. So this what we're gonna do, we're gonna I'm gonna just put it like on my face somewhere. So Beach Glow. Trying to see which one. Maybe I should try this one or maybe I should try. I'm gonna try every one, okay? So I'm gonna try this one. Oh, y'all, I forgot. I just came in introduction and stuff. It's your girl. It's Kayla. Sweet Life for Kayla. Turn on post notifications. Hit that bell. Subscribe to my channel. Click the link in. Ooh. Click the link. All that stuff. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just too anxious. Okay, so I'm finna try this one first, right here. I'm gonna try it right here. Okay. Put it right here. Okay, it's definitely glowing. It's definitely glowing. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's try this right here. This one don't really show good. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try this one like right here. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all, but let's see. Okay. Which one did I just try? Did I just try this one? Maybe you could try this one like right here. Okay, so honestly, the one that I really like, you guys, is this one. I'm really rocking with this one. As y'all can tell, I'm really rocking with this one because it gives me a shimmer, as y'all can see, and I like that type of stuff. Not saying like her stuff bad. I don't know nothing about makeup, so I can't say what it is and what it ain't, but it's fucking popping, bitch. You did that shit, bitch. You go, girl, bitch. Get your coin, bitch. Get your coin, bitch. Get your coin, bitch. Go. But yeah, I'm really fucking with this one. The pink one you can't really see on me. That one, whatever. But this one I'm really fucking with because it's really giving me a glow right now. It's really giving me a glow, and I like it. Let me close that up. And let me wipe this stuff off for me. It's easy to come off as well. Okay, it's not like where it sticks on your skin. Okay, perfect. I really don't want to take this off, but okay. I like it. And do it stain on my hands a little bit? Yeah, it's stained on my hands. You can tell, like, look at the glow. This shit is woo. Yes. Okay. Okay, babe. See? Or is it just the lighting? Oh, it don't stain. It don't. So that's good. But like I said, I will put the link below. Let me open it again. I will put the link below where I got it from. And if you guys want it and want to purchase and test it out yourself, I will put it in the link below. Just hit that link in the description and go get y'all one. It was only $8.99 for real. Go get it and, you know, test it out yourself. And all I gotta say is go to beauty, baby.
For the prizes. Too many designers in my closet. Just needed some of your motivation. Yeah. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. Yo. Tell your baby that you proud of. That's all I needed.